Hi and welcome to my channel. Let's crochet a cosmos flower. This is the material or the yarn that I will be using, and I'll be using 3.0 mm hook. So let's start with chain 4, to our knot, slip knot, and then chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's make a ring. Let's connect this, slip stitch from here. Okay, so now we have a ring. Chain 1, then let's work on 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I was hiding this tail. Then let's slip stitch from the first chain that we made here. Then row 2, chain again. Then let's make 2 single crochet in each of the stitch, so you will be having a total of 14. 1, 2 single crochet in each stitch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Let's have one chain at the end, one single crochet at the end, and then slip stitch, join. Then let's work on chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then double treble crochet. To make a double treble crochet, you need to do this 1, 2, 3, okay, and go to the same stitch where your joint is here. And then you get the 2 loops here. 1, 2, only 2, 3, 4. So that's double treble crochet, okay? One more. 1, 2, 3. Next stitch. 1, 2, 3, chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch at the same chain where your last double treble crochet. Same chain, slip stitch. Okay, the next chain, slip stitch. Okay, then let's go to the next stitch. And then single crochet and then chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double treble crochet. 1, 2, 3. In the same stitch. Double treble crochet again. 1, 2, 3. In the next stitch. Next. Then chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch, same stitch. Next stitch, single crochet, chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double treble crochet. 1, 2, 3. In the same stitch. Double treble crochet. 1, 2, 3. Next stitch. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same slip stitch in the same stitch. Single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double treble crochet. 1, 2, 3. Same stitch. Double treble crochet. 1, 2, 3. Next stitch. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch. Next same stitch. Single crochet. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Same stitch. 1, 2, 3. Next stitch. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same stitch. Slip stitch. Okay. Chain 1 in the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, not chain 1. This is single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Same stitch. 1, 2, 3. Next stitch. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same stitch. Slip stitch. Next stitch, single crochet. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double treble. Same stitch. Double treble. Next stitch. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same stitch, slip stitch. 4, 6, 7. Okay. One more. Single crochet, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then treble, double treble, 1, 2, 3, same stitch, one more, 2, 3, next stitch, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip stitch in the same stitch, and then let's lock in. Okay. So yeah, that's it. This is your cosmos. So in this pattern, you can create, it depends on how many petals you want. This one, 2, 4, 6, 8. This one I made 7 only. And this one I made a lot. I think 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 petals. So the foundation is the same. 7 singles crochet, then 14 single crochet. Then it's up to you on how you want to squeeze, but how you do the petals is all the same. So thank you for watching.